Tito Marbs, lahat pala ng pretty girls nandito sa Paris eh.
Sweet. I think she was gonna have a margarita.
My life is brilliant. My life is brilliant. My love is pure. I saw an angel, of that I'm sure. She smiled at me on the subway. She was with another man, but I won't lose no sleep on that, 'cause I've got a plan. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful, it's true. I saw your face in a crowded place, and I don't know what to do, 'cause I'll never be with you. Yes, she caught my eye as we walked on by. She could see from my face that I was fucking high, and I don't think that I'll see her again, but we shared a moment that will last till the end. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're beautiful, it's true. I saw your face in a crowded place, and I don't know what to do, 'cause I'll never be with you.
My birdie is my best friend. Ang dami naming maliligayang sandali. Madalas ko siyang pinapakain ng birdseed. Mahal kita, oh birdie ko, huwag kang lalayo. Don't touch my birdie. Resist temptation, please. You don't have to grab my birdie. Just call it and it will come. Ang birdie ko'y nakakatuwa, parang cobra na mahilig mantuka. Kapag nilabas na mula sa kulungan, tuloy-tuloy na ang aming kasiyahan. Di naman ako madamot talaga.